was in the kitchen early, Minister 6, and I hear clump, and when I hear clump, when I look out, I see one car up the road and one other one over there. And then he called to my uncle, Maya. And I say, Maya, go look, it look like something happened out there. And my granddaughter say his accident is lick up. I say, no, it look like them lick somebody. When we peep out, we see one car up there and the van over there. And then about 5 minutes, both of them drive off. The car first drive off. And then my uncle come in and says, a young girl. He didn't know that it was Althea. We own Althea. Althea, my cousin girlfriend, was going to church, Universal Church. So then when people from up the road come, them says Althea because her face smashed up. The granddaughter called the police earlier before that. And when they come realize it's Althea, we own Althea. We own Althea. Don't know which one of them licky.